class, I'm so glad you are joining me. Today I'm going to show you what our Google Classroom might look like and how you can use it each lesson day. When you first log into Google Classroom, you will see our stream. This is where you can see any announcements that I post, as well as any other posts will just show right up on the stream. Up at the top, you'll see where it says Classwork. I find this feature very helpful because it organizes all of the posts into categories. So every day that we have class, I'm going to post a daily question that you need to answer in order to be counted as present for the class period. This daily question should be completed by 3 p.m. So please submit that every day. You'll find that right here. Another thing that I'll be posting is a daily task list. If I were to click on this task list and open it up, this tells you exactly what you need to do for the day. So as you can see for this algebra class, you can find the objective right at the top of this task list. It'll say Task 1, complete the daily question posted in Google Classroom by 3 p.m. That's what I was just talking about. That is for attendance. Task 2 says watch this video, and you can follow along using these notes. Task 3, it says check in with Ms. Bell's math class Google Meet, which you can click on this to get you to that Google Meet. So that's how I can check in, answer any questions, and that would be during our scheduled class time. And then task 4, this says before our next lesson, complete and submit this practice. So that would be our assignment because it does say complete and submit before our next lesson. That would be the expectation. So again, this can all be found right here under our classwork tab. It's organized where it says task list. So there will be one of these posted every single day that we have class. Notice that for this one, it does have a direction on here. It says complete tasks from day 1 only. So in this particular task list, notice that there's a day 1 here and a day 2 here. So only complete the tasks from day 1. That would be a direction that you would find on your task list. All right, if I were to scroll down on my Google Classroom, there's also a section called Class Resources. Here's another way to access our class video meet. There's a link right there. I also posted online calculators. So we have the Desmos Graphing Calculator and the Desmos Scientific Calculator. Down here at the bottom, you can see videos on how to use those calculators. There was also a link to our online lesson plan. And on this lesson plan, you can feel free to read the distant learning plan, which I go over in another video. And then, as well as you can find another way to access all of our tasks lists. So here on Monday, March 30th, here's another task list that you could open up. These are the same exact things, the same exact posts that you will find on our Google Classroom. It's just another way to access them. And then I have other math resources and early finishers games if you want some extra challenge or extra fun to do anytime. All right, that is our Google Classroom demo. Hope you enjoyed it.